PayWhirl's Workflows feature can save you time and headache while managing your subscription program more efficiently. One of the most popular ways merchants take advantage of PayWhirl Workflows is setting it up to automatically add or remove customer tags in Shopify whenever certain subscription events occur. For example, you can tag customers with an active subscription tag when they create a subscription and remove it if the subscription is canceled. These tags can trigger discounts, content access, and more, depending on the apps you use on your store. Let's look at the subscription event triggers that can activate workflows. PayWhirl supports the following events: subscription created, subscription paused, subscription resumed, subscription canceled, subscription expires, subscription payment fails but retrying, subscription payment fails on the last attempt, and subscription payment succeeds. You can set up workflows to keep your customer info accurate and current by letting PayWhirl react immediately to any changes in their subscription without you needing to lift a finger. Let's set up a basic tag workflow. In PayWhirl, go to the Workflows section of the app and click the Create Customer Tagging button to automatically set up 2 workflows to handle adding and removing tags from your customers. Let's take a look at how these workflows are set up under the hood. If you click on the first workflow, you'll see the event for subscription is created already checked off for you. This means the workflow will trigger whenever a customer subscribes to a plan for the first time. Under Actions, we can see that this workflow will add the active subscriber tag to the customer when they subscribe. By default, this will apply to all of your plans, but you can set up a condition to make it apply to only select plans or products if you choose. This could be useful to separate customers by the plan they've subscribed to, or even the schedule at which they are billed. Adding a tag is great, but what about when a customer cancels their subscription? We'll want to make sure their tags are updated then as well. Heading back to the main workflow screen, let's click on the second workflow to see how it operates. Here, we can see the events for the subscription being canceled, expiring, or failing the last payment attempt are already selected for us. Under Actions, the active subscriber tag is removed. If you set up any conditions in the first workflow, you'll want to make sure you mirror those here as well, so adding and removing tags always remain in sync. Once your customers are tagged, other Shopify apps you use will be able to read those tags and react accordingly. With Shopify apps like Automatic Discounts, you can offer special pricing to customers with an active subscription tag. You can also use apps like Locksmith to control access to premium content for your customers with specific tags. Or for wholesale memberships, you can show discounted pricing to customers tagged as wholesale members. This is a simple way you can start automating your Shopify store with PayWhirl's workflows. Utilizing customer tags to offer discounts, premium content, or to more efficiently manage your customer subscriptions will save you time and help scale your business all automatically. If you ever feel stuck or have questions about how to best set up workflows for your store, our friendly US-based support team is always here to help. And if you're not already using PayWhirl for your Shopify store, then install the app for free today and see how easy it can be to streamline your subscription business.